Good morning, students. We have already started our chapter number 5 and done exercise 5.1 also. Now we are going to start exercise 5.2, and here I have written some questions. Question number 4, 5 and 6. So I will tell you how we will solve these types of questions. Question number 4 is which term of the AP? First of all, write down the given AP. AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Fine, AP will go till infinity. Now their question is which term will be 78? So it means 78 will definitely lie here. क्योंकि इन्होंने ये नहीं बोला है कि check that 78 will lie here or no. Their question is at which place it will lie. So what we will say, whenever the question will start, which term of AP will be negative, will be positive, will be 78. You always start your answer with let an is equals to 78. Let an is equals to 78, because in the question they have already explained that 78 is the term of this AP. बस आपको उसका प्लेस बताना है, उसकी पोजीशन बतानी है कि वो कौन सी पोजीशन पे लाई करेगी. So when which term question will start, see which term, check that it is a term or not, check it that it is a term or not, find number of terms, which term will be positive, which term will be positive, which term will be negative, which term will be 0. The answer of all these questions will be find n. The answer of all these questions will be find n. So we have to calculate the value of n in all these questions, like find the value or check that it will be a term or not, or how will we find the number of terms. So for this what we have to do, we have to calculate the n will tell the answer of each and every question. So here the question is starting with which term. So what we will write let an is equals to 78. Now what is the meaning of an? The formula is a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 78. Before writing the formula, you always should write the values of a and d. So here the value of a is first term, that is 3, and d is equals to, don't directly calculate the answer, always subtract like this. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So the value of d is equals to 5. Now a, what is the value of a? 3 plus n minus 1 into d, what is the value of d? 5 is equals to 78. I already told you, whenever the question is find the value of n, you always first calculate this bracket. No need to open this bracket because it will increase our calculation work. So what I will do, I will just write the bracket like this only. 78 plus 3, now it will be minus 3. N minus 1 into 5 is equals to 75. Now shift this 5 this side. 75 upon 5, the answer is 15. But 15 is the answer of n minus 1. You have to calculate the answer of n. So if this answer is 15, if the answer of n minus 1 is equals to 15, then what is the value of n? It will be 16. So 16 is the value of n. Now your answer, which term will be 78? So what we will write, therefore 16th term, don't forget to add this th because this will represent the position. 16th term will be 78 of the given AP, So like this we can calculate which term will be positive, which term will be negative, and which term will be 0 by starting the answer with let an is equals to whatever they will give in the question. Clear, students? So this is question number 4. Now we are going to start with question number 5. What they have written in question number 5, find the number of terms. They directly ask the question, find the number of terms. So whenever the question is find the number of terms, means we have to calculate the value of n is equals to 205. See students, whenever their question will be find the value of n, it means they always will provide you a part of AP. ये जो AP है इसका एक पार्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे आपको. It will not turn to infinity because if it will turn to infinity, no one can calculate the value of the n and no one can calculate the last term also. So they have given, they just have ended the AP at 2. Friends, here the value of A is 7. D is equals to 13 minus 7, that is 6, and AN means the last term as it is given already in the last position. So this is AN. So AN is equals to 205. Whenever N is missing, A is missing or D is missing, to calculate the value of the missing values A and D, always AN will help us. So that's why I am just highlighting this AN with 205. Now I am going to use the formula of AN. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 205. A, what is the value of A? 7. N minus 1 into D is 6. The value of D is 6 is equals to 205. N minus 1, already told you that we are not going to calculate n. First we will calculate n minus 1. 205 minus 7. So n minus 1 into 6 is equals to 198. So n minus 1 is equals to 198 upon 6. When you divide these two numbers, it will be 33. So n minus 1 is 33, but our motive is to calculate the value of n. So it will be 33 plus 1. So the value of n will be 34. Their question was number of terms. Therefore, number of terms in the given AP is equals to 34. Here the total number of terms are 34. So here we are going to start with the next example. Next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is check whether minus 150 is a term of the series. Series is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. What is the value of A? 11. And D is equals to 8 minus 11, that is equals to minus 3. Now their question is check whether minus 150 is a term of this series or not. मतलब हमें ये चेक करना है कि ये जो सीरीज है इसमें minus 150 आएगा या नहीं आएगा. So what we will write, let that it will be the term of the series. It is 150. An is A plus n minus 1 into D minus 150. I am not saying that this will be the term, but I have written let. थोड़ी देर के लिए मान लेते हैं कि this will be the term. A is 11, n minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. See students, the series in the decreasing order. तो D मेरा क्या आया है? minus 3. Increasing order, D will be positive. And is equals to minus 150. N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to minus 161. N minus 1 is equals to minus 161 upon minus 3. So the value of n minus 1 is equals to 160 upon 3. N is equals to 160 upon 3 plus 1. N is equals to, LCM is 3. 161 plus 3. So the value of n is 164 upon 3. So let's divide these two. 3 5s are 15. What is left? 1. 3 4s are 12. Then 3 6s are means point. So n was a natural number. और इसका आंसर तुम्हारा क्या आया है? Decimal number. So इसका मतलब जो आपने let किया था ना, it was wrong. So what we will write as n is a natural number. N is a natural number. Therefore, n can't be equal to 54.6. Therefore, n can't be equal to 54.6. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP, of the given AP. Dear students, so here we have done question number 4, 5 and 6, and we can also do the question that are related to these concepts from R.D. Sharma also and from NCERT examples also. Dear students, I hope you all will revise these questions plus the extra questions also. Thank you students.